Okay.
सॉरी सर, वो एक्चुअली कल रात को कहीं जाना पड़ गया था, अर्जेंटली गेस्ट आ गए थे.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So today we'll continue with the um, list tuple and all. Okay. Mm,
यस सर, ओके.
my screen is visible.
यस सर, इट इज.
So in the list, I think we have covered. Do you remember till where we have covered, like how to insert an item in a
यस.
list that we have?
यस सर, आई रिमेम्बर. सर, वी हैव टू डू append.
Okay. So insert we have seen, right?
या.
Okay. And then append is simply, suppose this is a list, this dot list which is having three items in it. I want to append. What it will do, it will add the item at the end.
ओके.
So if I put append dot this list dot append watermelon, so watermelon will be added at the last of the list after cherry.
ओके सर.
So this will be just append. Append means, the normal meaning append means it will just add to the thing. So till here the list was there, append will be adding watermelon to the end of the list.
Sir, if I want it to be printed in the starting of the list, then
Then you have to use the this one index
insert. Okay.
insert, and you have to
The
provide the
append can't like place it in front.
no append will add at the end.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And then suppose we have two lists. There is a concept of extending the list. Extending means, suppose we have this list and we have another two list. I want to make a list two items part of the list one, so I can simply use the extend method. Extend, and then I have to pass the list that I want to add to the first list. Just try this one.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir, done.
Done na? So extend will just
Done.
add the list 2 items to the list 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and it's not only it should be a list. Suppose can you, okay, let me show you. I'll just try this list 2. I'll remove this list 2. I'll make, suppose I'll name Sunil, and here this is the list 1, apple, banana, cherry. The second variable is name variable, which is containing Sunil. Now what I'm doing this list dot extend, and here I'll put
Yes, sir.
name. So can you guess what will be the output if I print
Yes,
list
sir.
1?
Yes, sir. Apple, banana, cherry, and Sunil it will print, but I think Sunil will be printed in double quotes only, not in brackets.
Double quotes only means all others will be in double quotes only now. See here, now here we are getting apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, guava. Orange, kiwi, guava added to the list, right? So what will happen if I add a string to extend a string to a existing list? Here this is a
Sir,
string.
I think its letters will, like, sir, I have tried this. Its letters will be printed separately.
Yes, because
Yes.
this will treat Sunil as a iterable. So it
Yes,
will
yes, yes.
iterate the each character, and then it will be added like S separately, U separately, N separately, like that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, got it, got it.
Each character will be added as an element to the list.
Yes, sir.
So here you can write extending list with string. Okay, so this will be behavior. This will be the behavior when we extend the list with this string. The next thing is removing an item. If you want to remove some item, you have to you can use the remove function. Just try.
Sir, remove and delete function works same.
No, there is a difference. Remove will remove the item. Delete will delete the entire list. We'll
Sir,
see.
so delete cannot remove an item.
We'll see. Just try this one.
Okay, sir.
Done.
Yes, done, sir, done.
Okay. See, suppose I have this. This list, and here what I'll do, if I put del is a keyword, okay, this is not a function, okay. So if I put del and then I put the list name, this list, and here I have to, for with the del keyword I have to provide the index which one I want to delete. Suppose I want to delete the first index, so I have to write del and then list
Yes.
name and the index value which I want to delete. So now what it will do, it will just delete the banana.
Yes.
So now if I print, it will print the banana. So we have to provide the index value.
Hmm. Sir, if I write like we have written for banana in remove one,
Hmm.
if I write that in like curve brackets and then double quotes apple, so will this delete function? Will this delete banana?
No, I didn't get you. Can you repeat?
Sir, like we have used dot remove and then curve brackets, we have double quotes and then banana.
Uh,
If I do the same work in this delete one, after removing this one index,
hmm.
will it do the same work?
No, del is not a function, it's a keyword. Okay, so with this we cannot use the curve bracket, we cannot use. This is what you asked.
Sir, after this list one, can we use this dot this curve bracket and then banana?
You want to say like del then remove.
No, sir. Sir, like del this list one
Uh,
and then dot and then within curve brackets and double quotes banana. Like we have like for banana dot remove. Yes, sir, like this.
no, this list this doesn't make sense, na? This will throw error. Del will ask for the index value, not the value. Banana is a value. It will ask del keyword will ask. It will refer to the index value. It will look for the index, not the
Not the value
not the value.
of the word.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
If
sir.
you want to remove particular value, you have to use the remove function.
Okay,
So
sir.
so basically, if you want to delete remove an item with indexing, you have to use the del. Or if you want to remove the value by this thing value, then you have to use the you can use the remove.
Okay, okay, sir. Got it, got it.
And if I suppose if I use del this list, then what it will do, it will delete the, if I don't provide any indexing after this, simply write del this list 1, then it will delete the entire list.
The whole list, yes, sir.
So after that it will not print anything, it will throw error that this list does not exist. See, this list is not defined because this list has been deleted entirely from the memory.
Yes, sir, yes.
There is another thing. See, this del keyword will just delete everything. It will delete the entire
List.
list. But there is another thing called clear. So suppose if you want to clear the items from the list but you don't want to delete the list, then in that case you can use the this list dot clear. So what this list dot clear will do, it will clear the item, and after that if I print this list 1, it will not throw error, it will just not print anything because list will be cleared. Sorry,
Sir,
yeah this
not
list,
able to understand this.
I'll see. Now if I run this list 1, see I'm getting an empty list
Achha,
here.
okay. Empty list you are getting.
Okay,
Okay.
here I'm getting
Yeah, got it.
list is not, so this list dot 1, the list name, the memory location that we have created by running this line, what this line will do, it in memory it will create a variable or a list called this list 1, and in on that memory location these 3 items will be stored. So when I use del
Correct.
keyword, what it will do, it will delete the entire list from the memory, even the list existence will be gone, items will be gone, and the list
Okay.
from the memory entirely it will be removed. So after that if you want to use the this list 1, it will not, you will not be fine because that reference pointer has been also deleted.
Okay.
Understood? And if you
Okay, got it.
want, see, and if you want this reference to be there, but you want to empty the list, just item you want to
Okay.
remove, so you have to use the clear. So
Sir,
what?
but what is the actual use of this clear function?
Yeah.
Because sir,
Mm-hmm. Tell me.
sir, because like it's just removing all the elements. Then, but what is the purpose of this function clear? We can simply not type any list, or we do not type any elements in that list.
No, see, this will be this is very useful thing. See, suppose you are writing a web application where you are creating a list or a temporary list where some temporary requests are coming, that you are following, and then that list you want to delete later. Suppose something like in businesses and all,
Yes,
we
sir.
store the data, and for sometimes we use that data, later we don't want it, right? So in,
Okay.
but continuously we'll be using that reference point. Suppose
So like, but for that we have to give it a condition. Like, if else we have to give now at that time.
no, what I'm saying, suppose we have a data, suppose how can I say, uh, suppose we have a application where there are two kind of things. Suppose you are staying in a hostel, okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
in the host, suppose you are maintaining a hostel application, a web app, where there will be a two tables. One table will store the student who are staying in the hostel, who are the hostelers, okay?
Hmm.
And there is another
Okay.
table that will get the data from the whenever somebody visit the hostel. So in that case they will ask to whom you want to meet, and they will get some details, and then that those details they will store in a table called guest table, right? But that table is, suppose I want to I don't want to store the details of the guests forever. So suppose I want to keep the record for 3 months, so every 3 months I want to clear that table,
Okay. Okay.
or in suppose.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So
Correct. Yes.
that is at the database level,
Yes.
that is at the database level. But at the application level, what I can do, in my application, suppose I'm getting the request, I store in a table, guest table or guest list. I'll create a list where as soon as people will fill the form, I'll get the data, I'll store in that list, guest list, all the data, name, age, everything, suppose I'll store, okay? And then as
Okay.
soon as I'll push that data to the database, as soon as it will go inside the database, in my application that is no longer required. So
Yes.
next time I want to store a new value, so at that
Okay.
time I'll not delete that list, I'll just clear the list, because I have already stored that data in the database. So I need not to carry that in my web application because it will overburden my application, right? So I'll clear the list, and I can use the same list again for the next request,
Hmm.
right? So every time I'll get a new request,
Yes.
I'll push the
Yes.
data into the database, clear the list
And
again,
then yeah.
get the new data in the list, and then you know how on the web page level it will work. So
Yes,
that
sir.
time, if you keep on deleting the list, then every time you have to create a new list. If you
Yes.
clear the list,
Basically, they are for.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
So when you use the clear, it will be you need not to create again and again. You can use the same reference point to fetch the data.
Yes, sir. So like basically they are for like to make our programming easy.
Yes.
I feel.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, got it. Got it. Sir. Thank you.
So that is the difference between del keyword and the clear. Okay.
Got it, sir.
See this one. X is not in the list. Why?
Sir, for remove function,
Hmm.
can't we use indexing?
Just try.
Okay.
Remove will. Remove. You tried indexing? It
Sir, yes, I am trying. Sir, can you just show that remove function, remove question again?
question means this one.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
It works on items. I don't think it won't work on the indexing.
Yes, sir, I am just trying this. Yes, sir. It is showing that a built-in function or method object is not superscriptable.
Yes. So it basically works on the value.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, suppose there is a let me copy this. Suppose there are now tell me what will be the output for this. There are two banana here also, and I'm writing this list dot remove banana.
Sir, I feel it would be apple, cherry. Uh, sir, I feel it would be apple and cherry.
See,
Be-
okay. So you want to say that this will remove will remove both the banana.
yes, I think so.
It will remove only the first occurrence of the item. So first banana will be removed and second will be there. So this remove function works like this.
Sir, if I want to remove both the bananas,
Then you have to write it again.
then I have to write it again.
I think so. See,
Sir, then
if I write banana, then it will throw error.
see, yes, I
Because
wanted to ask this.
it will take only one argument at a time. So you have to write again. Okay, or you can go with the indexing del.
Sir, in this or in this one?
Not this one. Like you have to write that del.
Yeah, separately, yes, separately. Okay, got it. Sir, can we use this remove and del in same program? Like now we can write del and then remove second. So cherry will be removed, I think.
Okay, you want to write del this list 1 of 2. Obviously, see what will happen. Python program works line by line. So first this line will be executed. It will create the list. The second it will remove the banana. This banana will be removed. So now the list will be apple, cherry, and banana. So 0, 1, 2. So now the second banana will be removed. So
Okay.
if I print now we'll get apple
Apple
and cherry.
Hmm.
See, now I'll get apple and cherry.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Got it, sir.
There is another function called pop. What pop will do? Pop also works the same way. It will just pop out the specified index.
Okay.
And if you don't provide anything inside the pop, no indexing, then it will remove the last in first out. How the pop works? The last element which got inserted will be out first. It's called last in first out, LIFO. Understood? See,
Sir, not able to understand that LIFO.
last in first out. So when we create this list, apple, banana, cherry, I am writing 3 items, right? So how Python will create this list? First it will enter the apple, then banana, then cherry. So cherry is the last one, right?
Yes.
So the element which got inserted at last will be removed first if you use the pop function. So here if I use this list dot pop, cherry will be removed and
Okay.
apple, banana will be there. If I use indexing, suppose I'll put 1.
So, sir, it's like the clear function.
Clear will remove all the elements.
Oh, sorry, not clear. The
Del.
del.
Yes, but del will works. Del you have to specify the indexing, right? Here you can specify the indexing also, and if you don't give indexing, the last, like here I have not given anything, so it has removed the last one. So it works on the last in first out functionality. So last element will be inserted. Suppose I have insert another thing, suppose orange. So now it will be orange will be removed. Okay. And another thing, I can give the indexing also. I can give the index point that I want to remove. So if I go pop 1, so pop 1 will remove that banana. So now I'll get apple, cherry, and orange. If I put 3, then orange will be removed.
Orange will be removed, yes.
So there is a little difference. Okay, there del, if you not provide any indexing, then entire list will be deleted, right? And del is a keyword. Here pop is a function.
Yes, sir, got it.
Just try this.
Sir, but we write del indexing of del in square brackets, but for pop we are using curve brackets.
That's what pop is a function.
It's a function, yes.
Okay, so function
Yeah,
it
got it as this.
so it will here the 3 that will pass it. Pop function has written in such a way that this 3 will be the index inside this list, because
Yes.
here we are giving the reference of a list. So this list
Okay.
third index item will be removed.
Okay, I got it, got it.
Both are actually, see, there we were writing, there also we are giving the same thing, but in a this list and then one.
Hmm.
Right. So here we are saying that delete the from this list first index. In pop also we are this list, here del we have used first as a keyword. Here we are giving the same thing, this list dot pop 3. So indexing we are providing inside the function. Here we are providing
Yes.
direct the value, delete the, actually
Hmm.
this list of one, what is that is banana. So we are directly telling the delete keyword, go and delete that particular reference point, that index value, whatever it is there on that memory location, that just delete that value. So it is,
Yes, yes.
we are actually giving directly the value.
Okay. Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
Mm, I got something, let me try. I'm just trying, okay? Suppose I'll write this list and then I'll write del, and if I write apple, and then I'll print.
Sir, no, it will not work. I have tried it.
You tried?
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Zero. Then let's try this way. See, now it's okay. It is not doing anything.
Not doing anything, yes.
Okay. ठीक है. Okay. So clear also we have said, right? It will clear the items, but the reference point of that list will be there. You can reuse that list again.
Yes, sir.
This we have seen in the for loop, right?
Yes, sir, yeah.
It will iterate the list and it will print the item apple, banana, cherry one by one, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, just try this one.
So should I tell the output for this?
You just write the program and try.
Okay, okay.
How is the weather in Delhi?
So now it's becoming colder. things are colder here.
It's temperature below 20 or something.
Yes, sir. It's literally around 22, and like it goes to 19 in the morning. Like 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, it goes till 18 to 19.
Currently it is 14. So,
Sir, right now it is 18.
hmm.
Right now it is 18.
Done.
No, sir. Just a second. Done, sir. Sir, but it's showing an error. Acha, no, it's okay. Got it. Sir, but my output is coming different.
What it is coming?
Sir, actually, I haven't printed this I in last sentence. Print one. I haven't printed this I. Written this I, sorry. So it's showing this list 3 times.
Obviously now see what my program is doing. I am printing this item, this list of first it will be it what it, by program it will take the len this list 1, that means length of this string is 3, right? So now the
Yes.
range of 3 0 1 2, so first it will be 0, this list of 0 apple, then 1 this list of 1 banana, then this list of 2 cherry, right?
Hanji.
And if you don't use I here, then it still it will iterate 3 times and it will print the whole list 3 times. So yours will be like this, right?
Like, yes, like this.
Because you are not using the I here. Here when I'm passing I means this list of 5, this list of 5 is first index, I value will be 0, so this list of 0 will be apple, so it will print apple. Next time for 1 this list of 1 first index is banana, so it will print banana. Then
Okay.
understood?
Yes, okay, got it.
And if you don't use I, then it will be simply it will print the this.
Sir, yes, if I write 5 elements, then it will show these lists 5 times.
Yes,
Yes.
because here see you have to understand this one. I'm using range function. Inside range function I'm using len function. What len function will do?
Hanji.
It will return the how many items a list is containing.
Yes.
So it is containing 3. So now instead of this, if I write range of 3, still I'll get the same output.
Hanji.
See, I'm getting the same output. If I remove I, I'll get the output that you got. Right? See? So here I want to iterate. See, if you write manually, say this apple list is this list is having 3 items, I'll write range of 3. Next time suppose, because here I'm writing the list manually, right? But in our applications, when we develop software or web app or something, then this list will be not a hard coded one, right? It will be coming dynamically whenever user will, suppose this is a user list, so user list will keep on adding, right? This list will keep on increasing, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
time you have to, every time you have to go back to the program, and suppose
Okay.
now it is
Okay.
3. So fourth item, suppose I'll add, suppose I'll add orange here. I've added a new item, orange. Suppose I have a fruit shop. Earlier I was selling only apple, banana, cherry. Now I've
Yes.
added a list, another fruit, orange. And here I'll, suppose here I'll put I. Now what it will do? It will print till cherry only.
Till cherry,
Even
yes.
though orange is there, but to print orange I have to go manually to the program and change it to, suppose you have developed an application for the sub fruit vendor, so he will come to you, sir, I have added a new app, uh, things, new fruits to the list, but it is not showing in my application,
Hmm.
right? So okay, I'll change it to how many you have added, 5. So you write 5, right? Instead of that we can use
Yes.
this, so that when the list is changing it will change automatically, right? Now if
Okay.
you add, keep on adding, doesn't matter, it will change the, this len dot list will, now it will be 4. So this will be repeated for 4 times and you will get all the items. Understood what is the
Okay,
use
okay.
of this one?
Yes, yes, got it.
This one we have seen, right? Extend method.
Hmm.
Extend method will extend the items of any iterable to the iterable that you want to extend with. Like, see, this is a list and this is
हाँ
a,
जी.
this is a tuple. Tuple will learn, list will be with the big bracket, square bracket, and tuple with, will be with the smaller bracket, small bracket.
Smaller bracket,
So if
yes.
I want this black and purple to be added to the list, that means if I want this tuple elements to be added to the list, I can do that with the help of extend, like we did in the, in case of string, right?
Yes, sir.
When I add extended the string, it, character by character elements will, was added, right? Were added. So here elements will be of this tuple, black and purple will be added to the this list, and this list will become this one.
हाँ जी, okay, sir, got it.
Loop through a list that we have already seen, right? See, we can use, we can loop through a list using while loop also with the help of len function. So here I'm I, this is a list and I want to iterate using while loop. So what I have done, can you explain me what is happening here?
Okay, sir. So like first we have like entered a list and then we are writing I equals to 0 and then we are putting a condition that like if I is less than the length of this list, matlab the letters of this, uh, if the letters of apple, because here letters of the word is less than the letters of the list, then it will print.
Letters the word?
That Anji sir.
No. So you are saying, okay, can you explain again?
So like if just a
Oh.
second. So like if this the length of the word which is coming is less than the length of this list, then it will print the length of that word plus 1.
Okay, so what will be the output?
What would be the output? So just can you tell me I what does I equals to 0 here stands for?
See here, I is a variable, simple variable that I'm assigning a value 0. So basically I'm telling that I value will be 0 initially. Okay, and then here what I'm doing something here inside the while loop. At the end, what I'm doing, I'm increasing the I value by 1. So I value will keep on increasing inside this loop by 1.
Sir, I think it won't work or it will show error.
No, it will work. It will print the list items. Okay, apple, banana, and cherry, mango. Okay, and how this is working? See, here I am writing a while condition. While I less than length of list. Length of this list will what this will give? This will give 1, 2,
4.
3, 4. So it will give 4 eventually. So this internally this statement that we have written here, this will become this where this will become 4, right? So it will like while I less than 4. So initially I is 0. So it will enter into the, so first time this will become 0. 0 less than 4 is true, right?
True.
Whenever while true, it will enter the while loop and it will print this list of I value is 0 right now. So it will print the first item, apple. Then I value will be increased by 1. So now I will become I is equal to, currently I value is 0. 0 plus 1, so I will become 1, right? So now I value is 1, right? And while is true, while is true means it will again go back to the loop. So again it will compare I less than 4. So now I value is 1. 1 is still less than 4, right?
Hanji.
So it will again enter the loop.
Okay, okay.
So here I value will become 1. So this list of 1 will be banana. So banana will be printed here. Then I will be increased by 1. So I value is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So now I will become 2. So here 2 will be there. 2 less than 4? Yes, still true. This statement still holds true. So until it is false, it will keep on repeating. So now it will be this list of 2. This list of 2 is cherry. Now I will be 2 plus 1, 3. Again it will come here. 3 less than 4, true. So this list of 3 will be printed. This list of 3 is mango. So now the mango will be printed. Now I value is 3 plus 1, 4. Now it will replace I with the 4. 4 less than 4, true or false?
False.
False. So now the while will become false.
Yes.
So as soon as while becomes false, it will come out of the loop and it will end here.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Okay, yes.
Just write this program.
Okay, okay.
You done with your thing? Have you done your thing? Going to sleep.
I need my book.
It's not here. Go check your room.
पापा पूरा चीज नहीं बोला थोड़ा सा बस चिपका दी उसको
Show me.
छोटा
It's good ना, छोटा ही होना चाहिए. Candle should be longer.
हाँ वो मैंने ऐसे अभी के लिए बनाई
Okay, go. It's almost.
बाबू कर
It's on the dressing table, medicine box, or somewhere. Done thus.
Yes, sir, done.
Understood now how this for loop
Yes.
works,
Understood.
while loop works.
Yes, sir.
What will be the output for this?
The output for this. Hello.
It will be hello, hello, hello for infinity.
For
Till
infinity.
yes, because while
Acha.
true, it
Right,
is
sir. Yes.
it is true forever, right? We have directly
Forever,
written
yes.
true, so it keep on repeating. See, it will keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Oh no, कहाँ गया? Okay. For this, what will be the output?
No output.
Yes, because why false? False means while loop will not get started, so will not get any output. See, there is another thing called list comprehension. List comprehension offers the shortest index for looping through the list. See, this is the list. I want to loop through this list. I can write inside this bracket print x for x in this list. So when I see, I don't know why this none is coming. Okay, I don't know why this none is coming. Do you have any idea?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll tell you this tomorrow. Okay, in the next class why. It should print apple, banana, cherry only. I don't know why this none is coming. See here, can you tell me what is happening here? I have created a list colors. Then what is this new list?
Sir, new list is here we are appending.
Now, what is this? The second line. New list is equal to empty.
It's an empty list, sir.
Yes, it's the empty list. Okay, next.
For X and colors.
Hmm.
For X and colors means
This we have seen now while going through the for loop. X is a variable.
X is a variable in colors.
So what it will do? It will go inside the colors list and it will iterate, right? And the colors item value will be assigned to x one by one, right?
Okay.
Till end of the list. So for x in colors, it will start iterating this list. So first x will be red, then second time it will be green, then blue, then purple, then yellow.
Yes, yes.
So now the for loop has started.
Hmm.
After that, what I'm checking, if y in x, so x is a, now here x for the first time x will be red.
Red, red, yes.
So it will check whether y, letter y is there in x or not.
Hmm.
If y is there in letter, in this item x, or the value red, it will append to the this list. This is an empty list, right? So as soon as it will find any item that is having y, it will append to this new list. New list dot append x. X means the first item.
हाँ जी.
So new list will have any item till now? No, because in first item is red. Red में y नहीं है. There is no y, so nothing will be there. Then second time x will become green. Still no y. So it will not append anything. Blue, there is no y. Purple, no y. Then it will find yellow. Yellow, there is a y. So it will append the yellow to the new list, and when I print new list will have the one item
One item, yes.
that will be yellow. So it will be printed.
Yes.
Just write this.
Okay, okay, alright.
See, now I have changed this green to reen. YREEN. So now there is two items, green and yellow. Suppose I'll put y in between, then still it will take. Understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
You're a math student, or the, you've
Sir,
taken?
math student. I have PCM.
Okay. So you're preparing for IIT or something?
Sir, now I'm not printing for IIT.
Okay.
Actually, I'm looking forward for a private university,
Okay.
maybe to a foreign country.
Okay. Okay. But the plan is to do engineering only, right?
Yes, sir. The plan is to do engineering only. Yes, sir. Written.
Understood now how this works?
Yes, sir. Understood.
What will be the output for this one? Mhm. This is also the same thing but written in a different way. X for X in colors if P in X. So it will basically look for P.
P. If, yes.
So purple.
Yes.
This is just the syntax is shorter. Here syntax is coming this way, this much, but here it will be shorter. What will the output for this one?
So for this, one, 4, 9, 16 and 25.
Yes. See here I've created an empty list, squared numbers, and
Yes.
I'm starting the for number in numbers. Numbers is a list and number is a variable. So it will go inside this numbers list and it will start iterating it. Then what I'm doing, squared number, this empty list I'm taking and appending dot append number into number. So first number will be 1, 1 into 1. So 1 will be appended to this list. So this list will have one item 1. Then I'll print. But this will will be repeated for all the items, right? So second item will be 2, 2 into 2 4, then 3 into 3 9 and till 25. Okay, so 149. It will just square the number. Elements will be
Yes.
multiplied together. The same thing we are doing with using the list comprehend. This is the normal using for loop, and this is using the list comprehend method, where what we are doing, squared number 1 is equal to number into number. First what we are doing, see here earlier we were writing the just number, right? If I write number for number in numbers, I'll get 1 4 1 2 3 4 5 only. Here number को we are just multiplying with itself, number into number for numbers in numbers. Okay, so it will be 1496. Same thing, but instead of writing 3 lines we can achieve the same thing using 1 line of code.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. Got it.
Okay, so we'll stop here today and we'll continue in the next class. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
I'll share you this document and some questions also I'll share that you can practice.
Okay, sir. Okay.
ठीक है दस, चलो
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you.
बाय, गुड नाइट.
Good night, sir. Good night.